Today's topic is statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collection of data, collection of data and the representation and the presentation of the data, and then we analysis of the data. So statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collection of data and its presentation. We can present the data in the form of tables and the graph, and by this tables and graph we can analyze this tables and graph and draw out the some result or the interpretation of the data. So these are the basic 4 steps in statistics. First one is the collection of data, second is presentation of data, then the analysis of the given data, and we draw the results from this data. So first of all, we know about what do you mean by data. Data is the basic information that we collect is called the data. Basic information that we collect is called the data. Mean, median and mode. Mean, median and the mode. These are the three methods by which we can find the central value of the given data. If we have given some observations and we have to find the central value, if we have to find the central value of the data, we can find the central value by these 3 methods, that is mean, median, or you can say the mode. These are the 3 methods by which we can find the central value of the given observations. Now we see how to find mean, median and mode for the given observation. Now first of all we discuss about the mean. How will you find the mean of the data? Suppose basically the mean is defined as sum of observation divided by the number of observation. Suppose if we have x1, x2 and so on up to xn, we have xn observations. We have n observations. So we can define mean as x1, that is sum of observation, x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn divided by the number of observation, that is the number of observation is n. So mean is defined as sum of observation divided by the number of observations. Now we do some problems related to mean. If the mean of 6, 4, 7, p and 10 is 8, then find the value of p. In this question we have given some observations. The number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There the number of observation is 5. So the mean is defined as the sum of observations, that is 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus p plus 10 divided by number of observations, that is 5. And in this question the mean is given as 8. So 8 is equals to 6 plus 4 10 17, 17 plus 10 27, 27 plus p divided by 5. So 27 plus p is equals to 5 into 8, that is 40. So p equals to 40 minus 27, which comes to be 13. So according to option A is correct. Now we move to the next question. The average of 15 number is 18 and the average of the first 8 is 19 and that of the last 8 is 17. Then the 8th number is. So in this question we have given the average of the first 15 number, or you can say the mean. Let's say the first 15 numbers are x1, x2, x3 and so on up to x15. So the mean of the first 15 number is defined as mean, that is 18, is equals to the sum of observation, that is x1 plus x2 up to x15, divided by the number of observation, that is 15. So we can say that x1 plus x2 up to x15 is equals to 18 into 15, which is comes to be 270. Now in this question again the average of the first 8 numbers, let's say the numbers are x1, x2, x3, let's say up to x8, then x9. The average of the first 8 number, that is x1 to x8, is the average of the first 8 number is 19. So according to the question, the average of the first number, that is sum of the observation, that is sum of observation x1 plus x2 up to x8, the number of observation is 8 and their mean is 19. So x1 plus x2 up to x8 is given as x8 is given as 19 into 8, which is come to be 152. Now average of the last 8 numbers, that is from x9 to x15, is given as 17. So mean of the last 8 number is 17, which is the sum of the last 8 observation, that is from x9 to x15. Again the number of observations are 8, so x9 plus x10 up to x15 is equals to 17 into 8, which is equals to 136. Let's say this equation is first and this be second and this is the third equation. So our 8th number can be obtained by adding the equation second and third and subtract the equation first from it. So by adding the equation second and third, and we have to subtract the equation first from it so that we can get the 8th number. So the second is 152, third one is 136 minus the first equation, that is 270, we get x8, and which is comes to be 18. So according to option C is correct. Now we move to the next question.